Hello, Year 3, and welcome to your final geography lesson this week. Today, your learning objective is, can I locate and research chocolate factories in the UK? So, today is Roald Dahl's day. So, for your wider curriculum lesson, we will look at Willy Wonka's chocolate factory and chocolate factories within the UK. This is what the factory looks like. Have a good look at the picture, observe the picture. Fantastic. What kind of feature is it? Is it a physical or a human feature? Explain your answer to your teddy. Fantastic, Year 3. This is a human feature, and the reason it is a human feature is because it's a man-made building. It was constructed by a human. Fabulous. Willy Wonka wants to go to visit another chocolate factory in the UK for new ideas. So Willy Wonka is looking for new chocolate ideas for his factory. So he wants to look at chocolate factories within UK. So your first activity is locate a chocolate factory near you. Then you write down the name, location of the factory, and then name 2 chocolates they make. Now, I just want you to put your thinking caps on and have a hard think. Do you think there's one in your town? Do you think there's a chocolate factory in your town? Share your answer with your teddy. Fantastic. Yes, there is one in your town, but I'm not going to tell you the answer. I want you to go locate that chocolate factory yourself, and I want you to try and find the name yourself. Pause the video here and do your research. Great. Activity 2. I want you to research the Cadbury World Chocolate Factory. I have put the web link here. I want you to research the Cadbury World Chocolate Factory, and I want you to write its location. Then I want you to compare the Cadbury World Factory to Willy Wonka's factory, and I want you to write sentences. If you just go on to the next slide and have a look at what I mean. So I've got a picture here of Cadbury's World, and I've got a picture here of Willy Wonka's factory. And I have written a sentence here. In my comparison, I've written, Willy Wonka's factory is bigger than Cadbury's World and has a large gate at the entrance of the factory. So that's my first sentence. And if you look over here, I've got a picture of Cadbury's World from inside, and I've got a picture of Willy Wonka's factory from inside. And over here, I've given a comparison of the two from inside. Willy Wonka's factory has a yummy chocolate river flowing through the factory. Can you see? And Cadbury's World has colorful buildings. Can you see? Fantastic. So what I want you to do is, I want you to pause the video here, go onto the Cadbury World website, just have a look at it, see where it's located, and then I want you to look at these pictures here, and I want you to write a sentence each comparing it. Pause the video here. Fantastic. Great. So your last activity is, now can you design a section of your own chocolate factory? So if you had your own chocolate factory, I want you to design a section in it. For example, like Willy Wonka, he had the bridge over the chocolate river. Yep. Then he had that room where all the squirrels came. Fantastic. So now what I want you to do is design a section of your own chocolate factory. You could have a chocolate river with a boat. You could have chocolate eggs hanging off trees. If you go into the next page, I have shown a few examples of chocolate factories. So if you look at these examples, you can use these examples to help you create your own section of a chocolate factory. I want you to pause the video here and use this as inspiration. Fantastic, Year 3. So, once you are done, make sure you take a picture of all of your work and post it on Tapestry for your class teachers to see. Fantastic. See you all next week.